morning, everyone. Thanks for joining us this Saturday. This week we're taking you through all the small features we built last year. What this is our smaller waterfalls and mainly our small features that are roughly under $10,000. Check this out. If you're looking for the sound of running water, how to attract more birds, wildlife to the area, one of these bubbling rocks is a great entry-level water feature. And that boulder is going to be turned into a water feature. Really fun about what we do is that even our mini water feature has a humongous impact on a yard. It'll make anybody impressed when they first walk up to your house and they see that waterfall and they hear that sound of running water. We can get a mini waterfall installed in your property for under $4,000 and it's going to be there for 25 years, and I guarantee you that it's going to lead you to something larger. A lot of our clients are doing a water feature in their front yard and their backyard now. We're up to 6 different clients that have 2 different water features. Stay tuned, because project number 5 of 2020 is someone who had a large pondless waterfall, and then in the front yard they had a feature they moved in with, and we tore that out and we put in a small pondless waterfall. So now they have 2 features where they have the teaser waterfall when people first come up to the property, and then they have the jaw dropper in the backyard that they can sit on their deck with. Hit the subscribe button for us. Turn on the notification, because that bell will remind you every Saturday morning when we have a new episode. We only do 1 episode a week because we're not trying to bother everybody and put them out too frequently, but you'll be able to tune in every Saturday morning. And what's so fun is they're always there, so you can watch it at your leisure. Playlist right here, you know, it goes through a lot of our episodes. So we're getting close to having 52 well-done episodes by Shahi, and we're only getting better. And now another thing I want to talk about is, now this episode, we're doing highlights. We want to show you everything we did last year that was under $10,000, because they have huge impacts on your entire property. So this video doesn't even do it justice. I always say what we do is a very feeling thing. And to really do justice, give us a phone call, because we can do a personal tour for you where a lot of our clients are really happy to show off what we've created for them. So if you'd like to see something, call this phone number right in here, 952-454-3101. That'll get you to somebody who will be able to help you line up a tour. So we're going to start with the mini waterfall for Yen. Just a fantastic person. And this led to us selling project number 15 of this season, which is going to be a large pondless waterfall with mossy limestone. It's going to be beautiful. So make sure to stay tuned for that. But this is a mini one, and what we wanted to do was make sure that they could enjoy it from their dining room. So the view isn't for everybody on the street, it's for the homeowner. So when they open up their front door, that sound can come through the house. If they want to sit down and enjoy it, they can sit on their front step. If they want to sit in their dining room and have a meal, bang, they just open up the windows and the sound comes traveling right in. And that's such an awesome project because she made us a beautiful dinner of fresh fried rice, and it was delicious. Check this out. We move on to project number 3, a small pond where they just didn't want to take care of fish anymore. So what we did is we tore out the old pond and we put in their Small Pondless Waterfall package. Looks beautiful, and it's only getting more and more pretty as it matures with time. And then we move on to another Small Pondless Waterfall. That one's out in project number 19 from last year. Small Pondless Waterfall. Turned out awesome. I really love how we got it to turn nicely in just a small amount of space. I love what I do. You've gotten to see that, right? You know, we love what we do. So this is just a highlight video for you to show you what we can do for around $10,000 or under. And so we're gonna take it from our mini all the way through our small deluxe. Make sure to watch that small deluxe. It's one of my favorites because it's the first time we've gotten to incorporate driftwood. So if you know how to get a hold of driftwood, give us a call, because we're still trying to find a good source for that, because those really soften up the boulders. One of the things we're really excited about our vlog is that we're going to be able to go back to these year after year and kind of show you how they're going to mature. So we don't really showcase things that first year after we show you the construction, but we're going to be going back that second and third year and fourth and fifth year, somewhere in those timelines, to really show you how these mature and how plants can really soften up the edges and help break up that masculine look that we leave behind. Because when we're done, it is rather masculine. We are leaving large boulders and we're covering things with mulch to help soften some things up, but it really takes that green thumb to set these off. So I can't wait to show you as we continue doing our vlogs year after year how these mature. So stay tuned, because we are going back to some of our features. In this summer, we're going to be able to do some recording and some more interviews with our clients to really tell you what it's like to work with us from a customer's perspective. Because we can tell you all day how much we love our job, but the honest truth comes from our clients, because that's going to be your perspective. We want you to know what to expect and what it's like working with us before we even show up, because we don't like surprises. We like to come in and be the experts and really be the construction team that you were impressed with and excited to tell friends about, because we clean up, we care, and I don't think there's a better team in the area, because I just love my guys so much and I'm very biased. So I really love our team. Brad the handyman cares so much. Mark the paint king, he cares. Justin the wizard cares. Dave the stress mitigator cares. Nick the pond king cares. We all care about your experience, your property, and making sure this is an awesome thing that we create for you and that you are excited to enjoy it. So that's what we do, that's what we love. I have gratitude for my team. All of us have gratitude for our clients. All of us enjoy our career and have gratitude for our career. And we just want to show you that, yes, water features are fun anywhere. All right, everyone, we'll talk soon. Tune in next week where we're showing you what you can do for a medium-sized budget. Sponsored by Pond King Water Gardens. Living works of art, 1 yard at a time.